Howdy y'all.
You got any games on your iPod?
Well, you know, by default it came with 4. Some of these very basic ones like Breakout and Solitaire and like a musical quiz and stuff. And my battery's about to go out. But anyway, I recently learned about a preservation project that actually goes and preserves all of the Clickwheel games. So while I actually go and charge this guy up, why don't we get the laptop out and try out that project? So I've already gone to the GitHub and downloaded the project. So the way this works, it uses a virtual machine with a copy of iTunes on it. And that copy of iTunes has every game on it. So from what I understand, all I need to do is just run the virtual machine, sync my iPod to it, put all the games on, and you know, easy. But we'll see how easy that is. Things never end up easy for me. And when trying to do some setup for the video, I already ran into one problem. The start script wouldn't work, so I had to use a workaround that someone else on the GitHub issues page had. So when you see me launching fixedlaunch.sh, that was it. Anyway, here's the VM. Quickly hot swap this. And oh, now you stay up. Is the VM launching? Maybe I have to restart everything. Let me just do a quick reboot. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, there's the VM. All right, well, this should be interesting because I'm pretty sure this is a Mac formatted iPod. It's also a video. We're just gonna press a lot of buttons until we figure out what's going on. Gotta get my iPod connected somehow. Oh, there's an iPod. All right, looks like I need to Windows format this iPod here. I'll be right back. Okay, this should be Windows formatted now. It's very much unhappy with me. Don't worry about this discoloration. That's because of the filter I have on this lens. I'll take that off a little bit later once when I actually get this stuff installed. Oh, wait, is it not ready yet? Okay, well, I guess we'll need to try again. Okay, the 5th gen iPod is giving me too much trouble, so we're just gonna go with this later one. I believe this is a 7th gen. Let me go ahead and clean it first. What? I locked you. There we go. That's better. We have a freshly Windows formatted iPod. Let me transfer over. What? It doesn't see the iPod. Oh, do I need to set it up a little bit more? Oh, okay. There we go. Now it sees it. What do you mean you couldn't see it? Man, don't you just love trying to pass actual devices over to virtual machines? Okay, there we go. Now it sees it. What do you mean corrupted? Don't do this to me. I don't like how it keeps popping up there. Take the iPod, please. Hello? Oh, thank goodness. I'm afraid to move my left hand. No, no, come back. Where are you going? Okay, different cable. No, don't disconnect. What are you doing? Oh, why are you so stupid? Some games are only compatible with the 5.5 video. Oh my gosh. Well, that doesn't look great. We got no Hotos. We got no Uzik. No Eos. No Idios. I feel like an idiot. So now you just don't want to connect at all? Is that it? Well, maybe I should try the 5.5 again. Ooh, when going through other iPods, I found that this one apparently is already formatted to be Windows. It's a different 5.5 that I have, so we're just gonna use this. A lot of interesting music on this, but yeah, things are gonna need to change. All right, okay, let's see here. Here, we're gonna Red Bull pit stop this. All right, ready? Come on, you got enough power? You got power? No, no, come back to me. Come back, no! Well, the battery in this one's kind of cooked. Okay, I have another idea. Channeling all of my DankPod's energy for this. Please just open up, I beg you. Oh, this isn't good. The thing is separating from the, oh, I don't like that sound. Please just let me in. Look, your brother's doing it. Oh, well, that's great. What's bad is the frame itself is coming out there. It's supposed to be tied with some screws, but that part's not supposed to come out like that. Oh, here we go. Oh, progress. Oh, there we go, finally. Yeah, you can see it kind of eviscerated where some of the screws go. My plan now is to steal the PC formatted drive that's on here and get rid of all the gubbins and put it in this one. You can go over there now. And put you right there. Then you flip up like that. Nice, and there we go. Well, I don't need this piece of paper there right now. I'll just set you in like so. Gotta get the power back in there. Ooh, ask me about how much I love ribbon cables. Oh no, it wants to use the iTunes to restore. No, no, no. I don't want to restore. New plan. Where's you can put the battery in there? Battery swap. Yeah, I'd say that one's a bit bloated. Wait, I didn't even need to, I could, okay. I forgot, I totally just could have taken the back off of it. I swear, in my day job, I do troubleshooting all day, so by the time I get home, my brain's just bleh. Better battery. Original board. Please don't require a restoration. I can feel the platter drive ticking in my hands. Oh, thank goodness. And the battery's low. Okay, battery low is better than battery dead. I'm not even gonna reassemble it yet. We're just going to try plugging it in and seeing if we can sync this stuff over before I do anything. Okay, battery's charging. Laptop over here. We have a Windows formatted iPod. Can we please recognize that you are plugged into a PC? Oh, well, I found this. Good thing I didn't close it yet. Ooh, it sees it. Okay, this is the farthest I've gotten so far. How do I bring the games over? Okay, this is gonna be interesting. We have to like transfer not all the games at once, it seems. Okay, it's syncing. Okay, so now I think I need to disconnect, reconnect. Hopefully this iPod will show up as a device. Okay, cool. Owner's iPod. I have just enough space. Cool. I don't have to get rid of any of the music. Just gonna drag these right over here and I'll let it do its thing. Well, I think I got everything transferred over. So here, let me disconnect this and we'll reassemble this iPod and then we can start looking at some games. So I definitely want to get this one piece back in. Snap that back on. And now we have a reassembled iPod. Oh, the battery on it's pretty good. And let's take off the cap. Make it a little bit easier to see what's on this screen. Well, this thing is full of games now. I don't really have time to play through all of them, so we'll just play through a couple. But let's start with everyone's favorite, Tetris. Oh, thank goodness I can actually put my full name in there. I can't go as fast as I normally like to, that's for sure. Oh, I guess there's no holding. I'm going so much slower. I'm starting to think that I liked the controls more on the Ouya. And if I'm saying that, that's not a good sign. Though if like this is all I had when I was like on the bus or something in high school, I probably would have liked it. Granted, when I was on the bus in high school, I would just take my Game Boy Advance SP and play Tetris that way, but still. All right, how long? 4 minutes? I think I was faster on the Ouya. Okay, look, I know I'm from Texas, but I have no idea how to play Texas Hold'em. So naturally, we're gonna try it. Okay, I don't want to type my name out all the way. I'm just going with E this time. Let's see here. The player in the small and big blinds have 1 or 2 gold tokens. Okay, I know what blinds are because of Balatro. So this is supposed to be like Balatro. Bet or raise to add chips. I'm gonna raise it by, yeah, sure, that much. Card hand using them and your 2 starting cards. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Oh, this isn't like Balatro. I'm scared. All right, I'm scared. This isn't Balatro. Ooh, Sonic. Kind of surprised they didn't port Doom to this. I mean, there's probably a homebrew Doom version somewhere, but not an official one, I guess. Sega. Ugh, everyone wants to know who I am. Green Hill Zone. All right, I'm assuming I like, do I go back and forth like this? Or wait, no. Wait. Oh, it's like a D-pad? Oh, up, resume game, all right. And that's how you jump? Oh, well this, yeah, ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, if I could just make it to the end of Green Hill Zones, that'll be good enough for me. I didn't really play much Sonic growing up. I was more of like a Nintendo guy. That wasn't until I got like, you know, the Xbox and stuff, and then I was all Halo all the time. If I just hold right, I gotta win. That's how this goes, right? Yeah! And that's good enough for me. Oh, now it uses the scroll. Okay. Well, I'm not about to do the music quiz because I don't want to get copyright struck. Why don't we try out Peggle? Oh, this one's actually this one makes sense to use the Clickwheel for. Yeah, get him. Get him. Very satisfying. Ooh. Hey, saved it. Boop. 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 Oh, can you get the last one? Can you get the last one? Oh, yeah! Extreme fever. Okay, I could actually see myself playing a lot of Peggle with this. The Clickwheel for this one makes a lot of sense. Cake Mania 3. What happened to Cake Manias 1 and 2? I am curious about Spore Origins. I think this is one of those like eat the smaller things to get bigger and avoid the things that are bigger than you games. Oh, okay. You get bigger like that. Could you imagine like Spore Origins Battle Royale in this day and age? Yeah, woo. Oop, come on. And there, let's grab a couple of these guys. Ooh, yes, grab them all. Wait, come on, grab them all. Wish you could grab multiple at once. That would have been nice. Level 1 complete. Clickwheel for this one, pretty good. I think we have time for one more, and let's just do Bejeweled. I remember playing like a lot of these on like Neopets and stuff. Oh, I should revisit Neopets. That might be fun. I wonder what PopCap Games is doing now. Oh, that background takes me back. I'll just scroll like that. You just really go through all of them. Okay. Hey, there we go. Yeah, these controls will take a little bit of getting used to, I guess. So let's, oh, nope, that's not right. I mean, these games can be fun, just I don't know if they're fun to play with these controls, because you're very limited with what you can do. Oh, yep, no more lose left. Wow, I already lost. Wow, okay. Well, that was decently fun. I mean, who knows if I'll get around to playing everything that's on here, but at least to have the option, I have Uno! And honestly, I feel like the best part is I think I was able to save all the music that was on here too. Yep, all the music's still on here too, so we didn't lose any of that. I still got all of it. Could listen to Freebird all day long if I wanted to. I might try this again in the future when I have an actual iFlash board and another battery. I might do it to this one, and who knows, maybe I'll even get like a different case for it and stuff too. But that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all. Ooh, a racing game. Oh, it's got the Nissan GTR? We can't go wrong with this if it's got a GTR. Oh no.